They're the sounds of Copperstate and the Buckeye Airfare 2019. It was a great day on Sunday, almost matching Saturday's big crowds. Lots of activity here, people selling airplanes, lots of folks coming out to see those airplanes, including me, and I got to go fly in this handsome Flying Legend Tucano Replica. It's a replica of a Brazilian EMB 312, a very famous airplane and well known in Italy. So they have made a light version of this. It's available either with retractable gear, which is the way I flew it, or as a fixed gear LSA. They're working on that right now, but they expect to have that pretty soon. Meanwhile, you can get into this kit and into this airplane pretty reasonably. And backseat instrumentation, we're going to give you a peek at the front seat instrumentation here when I look over these fellows' shoulders. They were kind enough to let me in there with my camera. It's a nice airplane, and I got to go fly it here with a young Giovanni. I'm not even going to try and pronounce his last name. Young 27-year-old pilot en route to the airlines. Meanwhile, building a little time in the Tucano. Did a nice job flying it. Here we are taking off from Buckeye Municipal Airport. The surrounding countryside has a lot of agriculture, wide open areas for us to go ring out this airplane. And ring it out we did. It's got about 140 horsepower supercharged Rotax on it, and it produced some very good numbers. There's some RPM and manifold pressure setting. This one's got a constant speed prop on it too, since it's also retractable gear. But the LSA will be a fixed pitch, fixed gear model. But otherwise will look very much like this fighter type aircraft. I mean, just look at this thing. It looks like a fighter aircraft inside and out. It's got a very nice feel to it. Well, you'll need to see our full pilot report to get the whole story, but there we are at Copperstate 2019.